So guys, today we are with the good old ISF, and on today's agenda we're going to do the rear brakes. For some reason I can't find my ramps, so I'm just going to use the OEM jacks. Got the car sitting on a flat surface, jack points are right here, so yeah, let's get to it. Hopefully this will go smoothly.
I'm sorry, I fudged up, guys.
I think there's still a bunch of life left on these, but I'm gonna go ahead and change them anyways because they look a bit rusted. So here are the replacements. They are at Bono, like a week after I bought these from the shop. Someone on the ISF group were selling like brand new Brembo rotors for the same price that I bought these for, so yeah, it's bad timing. So I'm eventually going to repaint these calipers because as you can see, they're like chipping and everything, so yeah. That's why I didn't care about the front rotors, brake calipers, that I was like bagging the hell out of them. I'm gonna have to repaint them anyways, and I'm just waiting for the decals to come in. I also need to paint the brake calipers on the TL as well, so yeah, just waiting for those to come in. back.
I broke my back. My back is broken.
Yep, that's it for this one. Brake job went pretty smoothly. No complications or anything compared to the front ones. Only took about 3 hours.
Wow.
I'm going to go for a test drive, get some gas, and then see if everything is smooth. That's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.
Sash.